Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware Classic theme. So this particular theme is responsive, attractive and very easy to customize. The theme is packed with useful features that will undoubtedly offer your online business a fresh, new design that will look amazing on any screen. The theme allows you to adjust fundamental layout aspects and improves your store's overall user experience. So this is a fully responsive shopware theme that we have created. It's simple to set up and personalize. The admin can enable or disable the category slider on the home page. The admin can enable or disable the top navigation bar. The admin can add text to the top navigation bar, and the admin can add text and images to the footer section as well. Apart from that, the theme will allow you to adjust the fundamental layout aspects and thereby improve your store's overall user experience. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the Shopware Classic theme that we have created, and I'll be showing you the workflow at the front end and the rest of the workflow at the admin's backend panel as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that the admin has enabled the top navigation bar at the very top, and he has added some text, and to the right we can see that we have the sign in option, sign up, and to change the currency of the store as well, right? So this is the top navigation bar that can be enabled or disabled by the admin, and the admin can enter the text that is displayed within the top navigation bar there. Similarly, in the footer section, if we go to the footer section, in the footer section the admin can add the images as well as the text that is visible to the customers that itself. To go back up, we'll just tap here on the up arrow and we'll be taken back to the top. Then we can see that the admin has enabled the category slider on the home page. So here right now we have added only 4 categories. If there were more categories, and we could have slided between the categories by tapping on the right arrow or the left arrow as per the requirement there. So this category slider can be set up by the admin from the plugins or the themes configuration settings in the admin backend panel, and accordingly the particular what we say as the category slider would be set up there for the customers to view at the storefront on this particular Shopware Classic theme itself. Now the admin can also add this particular image that you can see here, the logo that you can see here on the top left hand corner. For the web cool, this can be set up for the website, for the mobile device as well. So I'll show you that in a while from now. Apart from that, you can see that this is a very good and good looking home page that we can see. You can see the add to cart button color is there, different colors there. You can also customize the color of the price that is visible to the customers on the product pages and on the category pages. So the color of the price is also customizable. Apart from that, the color here that you can see, for example, we are hovering the mouse on the free time and electronics or clothing category. We can change the text color as well. Apart from that, we can change the border color that is visible here. As you can see to the left of the movement, we have the border color. This border color can be changed, or the border color that you can see here, this particular line that's going here just below the mouse, this border color, or the border color when we are adding the products into the cart. For example, here after adding the products to the cart, here you can see the border color for the image. This is the border line. The border color of these can be changed as per your requirement there from the plugins configuration settings itself. So I'll be showing you that as well. And let me show you the product page, how the product page appears within the Shopware Classic theme. This is how the product page appears within the Shopware Classic theme. Here's the add to shopping cart button with a different coloration there. As you can see, for the buy now button as well, we can set the coloration of the buy now button there, so that I'll be showing you in the backend panel. So let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let's see how the admin would be able to initially configure this particular theme in the first place after the successful installation. So I'll just take you to the Shopware backend, and I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the username, password, and tapping on the login button. After successful login, what I need to do is I need to navigate to extensions and my extensions. Then I need to go to themes. Here I'll find the particular theme, that's the Webcool Grocery theme. And here we have three options: to uninstall, to open the extension, and to configure the extension in the first place. To configure the plugin in the first place, what we need to do is we need to tap here on the configuration option, and that brings up the Webcool Grocery theme. And here we have the top navigation bar configuration. So here we'll choose the channel for which this particular thing would be applicable to, and we have chosen all sales channel for this. We have enabled the top navigation bar. The top navigation bar that we can see in the black color here is the top navigation bar. Then we have enabled the category slider. You can disable it up or you can enable it up as per your own requirements. So I've enabled the category slider here. So the same is visible here on the home page. If we see the category slider is visible on the home page. Then we have the top navigation left text. So here I've set it as 20% discount for new users, code Webcool. The same is visible here on the left hand side of the top navigation bar, 20% discount for new users, code Webcool, right? Then we have the footer HTML text. I've set the footer image here and the footer text as well. The same is visible in the footer of the website there. The image and the footer text is visible to the customers. So this is the settings for the enabling and disabling of the top navigation bar, enabling, disabling the category slider, setting up the top navigation left text and the footer HTML text, and then you need to tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings. Now coming back to the theme section under the my extensions, then we have the option to open the extension. So let's open the extension. So here you can see that the Webcool Grocery theme is there. It's assigned to the following sales channel, that's the Webcool shop, and this is how it appears to the customers at the storefront. From here we can rename it or we can create a duplicate of the same as per our requirement. Then we have the theme colors, status messages, typography, e-commerce, media, that can be set up, right? Then we have the theme colors. So for example, if I choose the primary color as red and I save this configuration, now you will see when I hover on the category names, everything would be in the red color. Let me refresh it up. So the page is just loading up. So now you can see the text there is in the red color. The bottom bottom thing is also in the red color. It's in the red color as well. So that's how you can change the primary color. Then we have the secondary color. So the secondary color is for the other things here. You can change the secondary color as per your own requirement there. For example, let's choose it as to blue. You can change the border color, background color. So let's choose the border color as blue. Let's choose it as green. In fact, let's choose it as green and let's save it up. So we've chosen the border color as green. The border color as green. Let me refresh the front end. So this is in the red color. You can see the border color is in the green now. Just to the left of the men and women, you can see it's in the green color now. Even if I scroll down here as well, you can see the green color line, the border color, right? The rest of the things are in red color as per our setting that we have made. Even if I'm adding a product into the cart, you can see the border color here as well. The green color is the border color, right? Everything is every border is in the green color there. So that's how you can set up the background color as well. Then you can set the status messages. So whatever status messages there are in your store, for them you can set the color of each of the success messages, the information message, notice message, error message. So the color for the different status messages can be set up from this section. Then you can set up the typography as well. So you can set up the font type text that should be visible within the store here as per your own requirement. You can set the text color as well and the headline color as well. So you can set up the font type text and the font type headline and the headline color as well. Then for the e-commerce you can set the price or color as well, so let's choose it as dark blue. You can also set up the buy button color, and the buy button text color can be also set up. Let's save it up. Let's save it. Now you can see that the price would be in the blue color there. If I refresh this particular page, the color of the price would be in the blue color. Now it's in the blue color. As you can see, it has changed into the blue color there. Then we have the media. We can set the media image that we can view here at the very top, this one, for the desktop, for the tablet, mobile, and we can also set up the app and share icon here, or the favicon here that is visible on the tab basically. So whenever a new tab is open for the website, at the on the tab where we can see the particular favicon, and that favicon can be set up from this particular section here for the app and the share icon itself. And lastly, what you need to do is you need to just tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings that you made for the Shopware Classic theme, and the theme would be saved, and the particular what we say as the fundamental layout aspects that you have changed would be reflected back onto the storefront there. So here as well you can see there's the red color for the shopping cart, right? If I go to the sign in, let's go to you can go to the sign in section as well. Here you can see the text color is in the red color, the border color is in the green color, as we had set up there in the admin backend panel under the theme configuration settings there. So yes, that was much about the Shopware Classic theme, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular theme works at the storefront, and how it can be configured from the backend panel as well. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.